Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wal aqibatu lil muttaqeen wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wa sayyidil mursaleen amma ba'd fa a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim as-salatu wassalamu alayka ya rasulallah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya nurallah. My dear beloved brothers and dearest sisters, being a Muslim, we must have to read at least a page of the Holy Quran a day. There are too many blessings of reading the Holy Quran. Our beloved Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam has said, Man qara'a harfan min kitabillahi falahu hasanatun. Whoever recite one letter from the holy book of Allah, there is a good deed for him. Wal hasanatu bi ashri amthaliha. And every good deed is multiplied by 10. He further said, La aqulu alif lam mim harfun walakin alifun harfun wa lamun harfun wa mimun harfun. He further said, I do not say that alif lam mim is a letter, but alif is separate letter, lam is a separate letter, and mim is a separate letter. So whoever recite one letter from the Holy Quran, surely he will get 10 rewards, 10 good deeds. In one more hadith, which is narrated by Hazrat Abu Umama radiallahu ta'ala anhu, that the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam has said, Iqra'ul Qur'an fa innahu ya'ti yawmal qiyamati shafi'an li ashabihi. Means, read the Holy Quran. Surely it will recommend its reciter on the day of judgment. So if you make a habit to read a page of the Holy Quran every single day, so the day you missed out on it because you were unwell or you simply forgot, Allah Azza wa Jal write for you the reward of having read a page even though you didn't, because it was in your habit. So this is an amazing reward given by Allah Azza wa Jal. Whenever you get yourself into a habit doing something good, when a day comes you are unable because of sickness, or you have simply forgotten because of human forgetfulness, Allah Azza wa Jal says, I will still write for you the same reward. This is the benefit of doing good deeds on a regular basis. So let's promise Allah Azza wa Jal, we will read at least a page a day of Holy Quran. So we will get a reward of every letter multiplied by 10. May Allah Azza wa Jal write for us a reward on a daily basis, and may we be from among those who enjoy the obedience of Allah Azza wa Jal and getting closer to Allah Azza wa Jal. May Allah Azza wa Jal protect us, and may Allah Azza wa Jal bless us. Ameen bijahin nabiyyil ameen wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.